యూట్యూబ్లో వస్తుందేమో చూడుమా. యూట్యూబ్లో లైవ్ వస్తుందేమో చూడు. So, properties of integers. Here we are going to discuss about properties of integer in 4 operations, in mathematical 4 operations. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are in natural, in whole numbers and in integers. We are going to discuss in whole numbers, integers and multiplications. In whole numbers, tarvata integers. So as already in previous videos we learnt about closure property. So what is the closure property? Integers are closed under addition, no doubt about that. Whole numbers are also closed under addition. So now in general, for any two integers, so I am going to write closure property. Here I am going to teach 7th class mathematics, first chapter, integers. Okay, so closure property. In general, we say that for any two integers, a and b, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is also integer. A plus b is also an integer. Okay, this is the closure property under addition in integers. So as already in previous videos we discussed statement and conclusion also. So this is the closure property. Now I am going to take commutative property. Okay, now I am going to take commutative property. So I am going to write commutative property. Okay, so here statement 1 is I'm going to take statement 1, statement 2 and conclusion. So one thing is sure, when we go towards examples and then prove that this from these examples conclusion are later given, that two integers a and b, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. When we take two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a, then integers are satisfied commutative property under addition. That's we are going to tell that. Okay, so now first statement is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to, as usual, we know that 7. Next, 3 plus 4, it is also 7. So, conclusion is, what is the conclusion? ఈ రెండింటిని బట్టి మనం తెలుసుకున్నది ఏంది? 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. That is equal to 7 అని మనకు తెలిసిపోయింది. We know that 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4 is the addition. In the addition, 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4, when we interchange numbers, the result is same. Now, I am going to take 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to what? No doubt 8. So next, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is also 8. Then we get conclusion that 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's it. Next, 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Okay. Next, 0 plus 3 is, it's also 3. Next, 3 plus 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So we get conclude that. Next, again I am going to take some more examples. I am taking some more examples. So 5 plus minus 6. Here two different sign numbers. We get, first you have to do that 6 minus 5. First, that's it. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Then here 6 has a minus sign. That's why we have minus 1. Okay. Next, minus 6 plus 5. Here also forget that signs. First you have to do that 6 minus 5. That's it. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Then bigger number has minus sign. That's why we have minus 1. We have minus 1. So 5 plus minus 6, minus 6 plus 5 is equal to minus 1. Same value. Next, minus 9 plus 2. Forget that minus 9. So first you have to do that 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then the bigger number has minus sign. That's why we have, the result is minus number, negative number. That's it. So 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 7. So that's why minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 7. Okay. So next step, minus 4 plus minus 5. I am taking two negative numbers. First, forget that you have to add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then two negative numbers are there. That's why we put negative sign into the result number before result number. Next, minus 5 plus minus 4. It is also minus 9, no doubt. Then we write what we are going to conclude. Minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. Okay. Minus 9. So minus 5 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 9. So did you find any pair of integers for which the sum is different when the order is changed? Did you find any pair of integers? ఇక్కడ 2 pairs తీసుకున్నాం కదా, ఈ 2 pairs of integers లో for which the sum is different when the order is changed. Here first I take the order 4 plus 3. Then the order is reversed, 3 plus 4. Order change అయినప్పుడు ఏమన్నా వాల్యూ మారిందా? That means sum మారిందా? No, we didn't. Notice that the sum is same. We didn't notice that. Sum is same. That's why therefore addition is commutative. Therefore addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. for integers. Addition is commutative for integers. Okay, addition is commutative for integers. In general, ఇందాక చెప్పినాను in general
స్టూడెంట్స్ క్లాస్ రావట్లేదని కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు.
లింక్ కొట్టమని.
లింక్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి.
In general, for any two integers a and b, in general, for any two integers a and b, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. That means when the order is changed in the sum of the numbers, the result is same. That's why addition is commutative for integers. Addition is commutative for integers. So next I am going to take another property, associative property. Associative property. Associative property. So in associative property, first let us study the examples. Okay, Nana? So please note this. First, let us study some examples. So first I am taking 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. So as already we know that first you have to complete in brackets. Complete the sum in brackets. So first I am taking 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, 5 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 5. Okay. No, sorry. 1 minute, no. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, this is one example. Then I am going to take another example. What is the another example? Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so first you have to complete in brackets. We have to complete ఈ bracket లో ఉన్నదని మనం ఫస్ట్ పూర్తి చేయాలి. We have to complete it. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. As already I told that in previous videos, when there are minus and plus signs, and when there are two different signs, first you have to divide bigger value from bigger value to the smaller value. మొదట పెద్ద నెంబర్ నుంచి చిన్న నెంబర్ను తీసివేయండి. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. What is the bigger number sign we have? Bigger number sign here is plus, that's why plus 1. So 1 plus 5. Okay, next here minus 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Again there are two different signs. That means 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 has plus value, 6 is equal to 6. Okay, second example is also over. Now I am going to take third example. What is the third example? Minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 5. Okay, so here two signs are same. That's why first we have to add two natural numbers. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then only you can make it two negative numbers. That's why we have 5. Okay, then plus minus 5, minus 2, minus 3 plus 5. In the same way, we get minus 8. Okay. Now, here also two same numbers addition. Sorry, two same sign numbers addition. That means negative integers addition. So first you take natural numbers. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then we put minus in front of that. Minus 10. Minus 2 plus 8 is 10. Then we get, sorry, minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Is the sum in each case equal? Is the sum in each case equal? Yes, it is equal. Yes, it is equal. You will find this to be true. You will find this to be true for all integers. For all integers. Just like that, if two numbers are adding, when we two numbers are adding in any order, then here three numbers are adding in the different order. The result is same. The result is same. There is no difference. It is to be true for all the integers. That's why we can conclude that therefore integers follow integers follow the associative property. Integers follow the associative property under addition. Property under addition. Okay. So now I am going to take okay na? So I am going to try this in page number 15. Try this 7th class mathematics, page number 15. So first 2 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 4. Next second is 2 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 4. 2 plus 0 plus 4. That's it. Okay. Now I am going to. Does the associative property hold for whole numbers? Does the associative property hold for whole numbers? Take two more examples and write your answers. This is the question. This is the question. I am going to write this also. Does the associative property hold for whole numbers? Whole numbers. Take two more examples. Take two more examples and write your answer. And write your answer. And write your answer. Okay. So now I am going to. So see this first. Okay. Right. So solution. Okay. First one is 2 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 4. First you take 2 plus 5, that is 9. Sorry, 7. Very good. So 7. 7 plus 4. Here 2 plus 9. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. That's why this is true. Next, second, 2 plus 0 plus 4. 2 plus 0 plus 4. So 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Here, all these are whole numbers. No doubt about that. First, whole numbers. Then they are integers. No doubt about that. First they are whole numbers. Okay. Because there is no negative numbers. That's it. So does the associative property hold for whole numbers? Yes. Yes. Associative property hold in whole numbers also. For whole numbers also. Take two more examples and write your answers. So now I am going to take two more examples. Two more examples. So whole numbers. Okay. లింక్ నొక్కము వాట్సాప్లో లింక్ నొక్కము సో take another example.
అప్పటి నుంచి నీకు ఏమని అడుగుతావా నెక్ క్లాస్లో అన్నది నీకు ఏమనింది ఇదిగో చూసింది
So again I am taking 1 minute. Right, whole numbers. Take two more examples and write your answer. So I am taking two more examples. What are the examples? Take 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 7 plus 9 plus 11. This is the first example. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 11. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. So 27 is equal to 27. That's it. This is the first example. And the second example is 3 plus 7. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 plus 8. 3 plus 6 plus 8. Okay. 3 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 8. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 9 plus 8 is 17 and 3 plus 4 is also 7. So these are the two examples I.
Nana, sound వస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay, very good. So in general for any integers. So in general.
ఈశ్వరుని వాడుకో నాకు నువ్వు రావు సరిగ్గా.
So in general for any integers. In general for any integers. Okay. In general, for any integers a, b and c, in general, for any integers, a, comma, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So that means integers are satisfied closure property under addition. So associative property under addition. Next, fourth one. So I am going to take additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. So please observe these examples carefully. So I am going to write with this. So first minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. No doubt about that. Okay. Next. 5 plus 0 is 5. Next. 8 plus 0 is 8. So minus 10 plus 0 is also minus 10. And 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 11 is 11. 0 plus minus 12 is minus 12. So that means on adding 0 to integers, do you get the same integer? Yes. On adding 0 to integers. Okay. I am going to write this also. On adding 0 to integers. On adding 0 to integers, do you get the same result? Do you get the same integer? Yes, we do, or you do. Okay. So therefore 0 is the additive identity for integers. In whole numbers also 0 is the additive integer. In whole numbers also 0 is additive integers, as all we know in 6th class. So therefore 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity for integers. Additive identity for integers. So in general, మళ్ళీ ఒక మాట మాట్లాడుతాం సర్వసాధారణంగా అని. ఇన్ జనరల్ అంటే సర్వసాధారణంగా. ఇన్ జనరల్ ఫర్ ఎనీ ఇంటీజర్ a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. So when we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. That's why 0 is called additive identity in integers. Additive identity for integers also. Okay na? Now I am going to take Try this. I am going to do try these problems. Try these problems in page number 15. Page number 15 in 7th class mathematics. Okay, na? So now add the following. Add the following. Add the following. So the first one is 2 plus 0. Second one is 0 plus 3. Third one is 5 plus 0. And second, these are the questions. I am going to take answers from you or లేదా నేనే చెప్తాను. Add 0 to as many whole numbers as possible. To as many whole numbers as possible. Okay. Is 0 the additive identity for whole numbers? Identity for whole numbers? Question mark. Okay. Now, so 2 plus 0. When we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. That's why 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. That's it. Okay. Now, similarly add 0 as many whole numbers as possible. As many whole numbers as possible. So suppose I am going to take 11 plus 0 is 11. 12 plus 0 is 12. 25 plus 0 25. 35 plus 0 35. And so on. 100 plus 0 100. Whatever the whole number it is, when we add 0 we get the same whole number. That's why in whole numbers 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. In integers also there is additive identity is 0. Whole numbers also 0 is the additive identity. So that's it. Try this. Next. So that's why we have 0 as additive identity for the whole numbers. It is right. It is right. Okay. Now additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay. So what should be added 3 to get its identity 0? So here just small logic is there. I am going to explain in Telugu also because Telugu students are also there. Telugu medium students are also there. That's why. So what should be added to 3 to get its additive identity 0? I'm going to write this. What should be added to 3 to get its additive identity? Zero. So its additive identity 0. Now closely observe this following. So 3 plus minus 3 we get 0. No doubt about that. So this will become 3 minus 3, that is 0. Next 7 plus minus 7. This is also 7 minus 7, that is 0. Okay. So minus 10 plus 10. This is also 10 minus 10, that is 0. So check Some more examples. Check some more examples. I am going to take some more examples. So minus 25 plus 25 is 0. So minus 25 కు ఏమి యాడ్ చేస్తే what should be added to get its additive and it is 0? I add 25 plus 25. That's why minus 25 plus 25 are additive inverses of each other. Additive inverses of each other. అదే పాయింట్ రాస్తున్నాం. In each pair given above, one integer is called the additive inverse of the other integer. Okay, ఇంకా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. We are going to take some more examples. So minus 9 plus 9 is 0.
ఎవరో తెలియదు.
మాట్లాడు.
సతీష్ కుమార్ హిందీ అంటాను. మీ తమ్ముడే గాలి క్లాస్ లో ఉండనే అవసరం.
So I'm going to do 8 plus minus 8 is also 0. So in each pair I'm going to write this also. So in each pair అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రతి జతలో in each pair given above in each pair given above in each pair given above one integer is called the additive inverse of the other integer. That means పైన ఉన్న రెండు జతలలో ప్రతి ఒక్కటి రెండవ దాని యొక్క additive inverse, because when we add those two we get 0. That's it. So in general for any integer a there exists an integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. A plus minus a is in general for any integer a there exists an integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. అంటే a అనే ఇంటీజర్ కు ఒక ఇంటీజర్ ఉంటుంది. అది ఏందిరా అయ్యా అంటే మైనస్ ఏ అనేది. ఆ రెండింటిని కలిపితే ఖచ్చితంగా 0 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ రెండింటిని ఏమంటారంటే both are additive inverses of each other. అదేమంటారు అర్థమా? We are going to write this. This is the main point అన్నమాట. So that's why I am going to underline it. In general for any integer a there exists an integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. So both the integers are called additive inverse of each other. Both the integers are called additive inverse of each other. This is the statement. So next okay. Okay. Now properties of integers under multiplications. Properties of integers under multiplication. Before, just before we conclude that in addition, integers are in addition, integers are satisfied closure property or ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా చెప్పచ్చు integers are closed under addition. That's it. Integers are closed under addition. Integers are closed under integers are commutative under addition. Integers are associative under addition. That's it. ఆ విధంగానే చెప్పచ్చు. So integers are satisfied closure property, commutative property, in addition, commutative property, associative property. That's it. Okay. Now I am going to take multiplication. Okay. Now I am going to take multiplication. So properties of integers under multiplications. Properties of integers under multiplications. So first I am going to take closure property. Okay. So study the following and complete the table. So first statement తీసుకుందాం. As usually ఇందాక మనం చెప్పినట్లు we are going to take some examples and then conclude that take any examples, this is the truth. That's it. ఆ విధంగా మనం కంక్లూజన్కి వస్తాం అనమాట. సో స్టేట్మెంట్ అండ్ కంక్లూజన్. Okay. Right. So statement is 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Yes. If 9 and 8 are integers, no doubt about that they are integers. 9 and 8 are integers, then the product is also an integer. So అదే రాస్తాం ఇక్కడ. The product is an integer. The product is an integer. The product is an integer. That's it. Next, 10 into 0. 10 into 0 is 0. So here also we are concluding that the product is an integer. Product is an integer. So next, what is minus 15 by minus 15 into 2? So first 15 into 2, we take 15 into 2, 15 to the 30, then only we put minus 30. So this is also same, product is an integer. Next, minus 15 into 3, minus 15 into 3. So first 15 3 is a 45, minus 15 into 3 is minus 45. This is also the product is an integer. So product minus 45 is also an integer. Next, minus 11 into minus 8. Minus 11 into minus 8. That is 88. That is 88. Okay. So minus 11 into minus 8 is equal to 88. So here the product of two integers is also an integer. Next, 10 10 100. This is also product and the product is an integer, no doubt about that. So 5 into minus 3, minus 15. The product is an integer. So is it possible to find pair of integers? Is it possible to find a pair of integers whose product is not an integer? అంటే రెండు ఇంటీజర్స్ యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ కాకుండా వేరే దేనైనా ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? Is it possible? No, there is no chance. You will not find this to be possible. You will not find this to be possible. You will not find this to be possible. So that's why here we observe, we keenly observe that fractions and decimals are not integers. As all we know that fractions and decimals are not integers. Okay. So therefore, integers follow the closure property of multiplication. Therefore, integers follow the closure property under multiplication. So I'm going to write this. Okay. Therefore, integers follow the closure property. Integers follow the closure property of multiplication. The closure property of multiplication. Okay. So closure property of multiplication. Next, now I am concluding a statement. In general, if A and B are two integers, if A and B are two integers, A into B is also an integer. A into B is also an integer. A into B is also an integer. That's it. So integers satisfied closure property under addition. Adeni cheppochu. Okay. Now I am going to try this page number 17. Page number 17. So multiply the followings. First, multiply the following. Okay. One is 2 into 3. Second is 5 into 4. Third is 3 into 6. Okay. Similarly, multiply any two whole numbers of your choice. Okay, I am going to take that. Second question. 2 3 is 6. 5 4 is 20. 3 6 is 18. So when we multiply two whole numbers, we get the whole number. So second question is, similarly multiply any two whole numbers of your choice. So I am going to take 10 into 5, 50. I am going to take 7 into 9, 63. I am going to take 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24. That's it. Okay. So is the product of two whole numbers always a whole number? Yes. Is the product of whole numbers always a whole number? Yes. It is a whole number. That's why we are going to take that whole numbers are also satisfied under multiplication. This has done in the previous classes. With this, I am going to first thing is, this is the first live for 7th class mathematics people. This is the first live. So hope you are doing great for this. మీరు ప్రశాంతంగా దీన్ని విన్నారని నేను ఆశిస్తాను. తర్వాత ఒక చిన్న విషయం ఏంటంటే, నేను ఇచ్చిన లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలు, యూట్యూబ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. అంతే, వేరే ఏ ఆప్షన్ లేదు. నేను ఇచ్చిన లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలు, అంతే. మీరు ముందు యూట్యూబ్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసినారా లేదా ఇవన్నీ పక్కన పెట్టండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇకపైన నేను ఇచ్చే లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలు, వెంటనే లైవ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తారు. పలానా టైం అని చెప్పుకుంటే ఆ టైం కల్లా మీరు లైవ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తారు, అంతే. సో డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. నా ఈ కృషిని మీరు చిన్న సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అనే ఒక చిన్న సహాయంతో అభినందిస్తారని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఎంతమంది సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేస్తే ఈ యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ అనేది ఎంత బాగా నేను ఇంకా చేసుకోగలుగుతాను. యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ అనేది సో ఇంకా కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ మంది పీపుల్కి రీచ్ అయ్యేదానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. ఇంకొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ మంది పీపుల్కి రీచ్ అయ్యేదానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. ఓకే, with this I am going to ending the stream. I am going to ending the stream. Okay, right, Nana? I am going to ending the stream.